Welcome back to Channel Auto Driver Hub, your go-to place for powerful machine reviews, defense tech breakdowns, and epic vehicle insights. The F-35B Lightning II is one of the most advanced aircraft ever created, a fifth-generation multirole stealth jet designed to perform missions that once required multiple different aircraft. This version, the B variant, is specifically built for short takeoff and vertical landing operations, making it a unique asset for navies, marine forces, and air wings that operate from smaller carriers or improvised forward bases. Its combination of stealth, sensor fusion, advanced avionics, and flexible operational capability makes it one of the most feared and respected fighters in the world. At the heart of the F-35B's design is its short takeoff and vertical landing system. Traditional fighter jets require long runways, but the F-35B can launch from short strips, small amphibious assault ships, or temporary combat zones carved out near the front line. This capability comes from its revolutionary lift fan system developed by Rolls-Royce. When vertical lift is needed, a shaft driven by the powerful Pratt & Whitney F135 engine spins a large vertical fan behind the cockpit while a swiveling rear exhaust nozzle points downward. The two systems work together to allow the aircraft to hover, take off in short distances, or land vertically even in tight or hazardous environments. This feature gives military planners incredible flexibility as the jet can operate from places conventional aircraft would never manage. Stealth is another central strength of the F-35B. The aircraft's shape, materials, and internal weapon storage are all engineered to minimize radar signatures. Its smooth angles, special coatings, and internal bays allow it to enter defended airspace while remaining difficult to detect. Unlike older fighter jets that carry weapons on external hardpoints, which increase radar visibility, the F-35B can carry missiles and bombs inside its body when stealth is required. This ensures that during high-risk missions such as airbase strikes, surveillance over heavily defended zones, or neutralizing enemy air defenses, the aircraft remains as hidden as possible. But stealth alone does not make the F-35B powerful. It is often described as a flying computer because its onboard electronics, sensors, and data systems are among the most advanced on any aircraft. The F-35B's sensor fusion system collects information from every onboard sensor, radar, camera, and infrared tracker and merges all of it into one clear image for the pilot. Instead of switching between separate displays, the pilot sees a single combined picture of the battlefield. This reduces the mental load and drastically improves reaction time during fast-moving combat situations. Its distributed aperture system further enhances situational awareness. Cameras placed around the aircraft provide a full 360-degree view, feeding real-time imagery into the pilot's helmet display. This advanced helmet, one of the most expensive in military aviation, allows the pilot to see through the aircraft as if it were transparent, giving unmatched awareness during dogfights, landings, or night missions. Combined with advanced targeting systems, the F-35B can track, lock, and engage enemies at distances where older aircraft might not even know a threat exists. In terms of performance, the F-35B may not be the fastest jet in the sky, but it is designed for versatility rather than raw speed. It reaches speeds over Mach 1.6 and carries a wide range of weapons, from air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 to precision bombs used for ground strikes. When stealth is not required, external hardpoints can be used to carry even more weapons.